friends. Yes, so today the recipe that I'm going to show you, this is a Kanyakumari special curry, and it is made of very simple ingredients, and it is actually taken for health, and it's very tasty. Normally, people with diabetes, or even with kids, with they will have some kind of worms in their stomach. So for that again, this curry is very good. And apart from diabetes, if you have hair fall, so since we are using a lot of curry leaves in this recipe, so this is again going to help you. So the ingredients that we require, as you see again, is again curry leaf. A handful of curry leaves I have taken. I've taken half a cup of coconut. If you have dry coconut, that would be again good. But I have taken the fresh coconut, and for the tadka, I have taken a little bit of two red chilies, and again one whole garlic. One whole garlic I have taken, and the same amount I have taken ginger. So these are the only few ingredients that you'll use in this recipe. But again, it's very good for health. So please do try this. So let's get into the recipe. Alright, so let's get into the cooking. So I have taken a small vessel, and I have poured coconut oil in that because this recipe needs coconut oil. So what I'll do is, one by one I'll fry all the ingredients in this oil, and we'll keep it aside, and then we'll grind it. So first what we'll do is, first we will try to fry the ginger. Let it fry nicely unless and until it is golden. This recipe you cannot shallow fry any of the ingredients. You need to have that much oil where we can kind of deep fry all the ingredients, and then later we can kind of remove the oil. So at the end you don't have to use that oil. So just need a little bit more, so that we can kind of fry it very nicely. So this quantity I have taken for around three people, or three portions. So if you need to prepare it more, just try to increase all the ingredients as per the number of people, and do give it to small kids because this won't be spicy. So at this stage, we'll remove it and keep it aside in a small cup. Now next what we'll do, I have removed the ginger, I'll put the garlic. Again, let that also become golden brown. So till that time you need to fry it. So now you can see that it's turning golden. So now I'll remove this as well and keep it aside. Now next what we'll do is, in the same oil we are going to add coconut. Be careful while doing this. And again, this also has to turn golden brown. Once it's golden brown, we'll keep it aside, and everything you need to fry apart from the red chili, everything you need to fry till it's golden brown, and then we'll grind it. So now we can see even this has turned golden. So let me remove it and keep it aside. While putting the curry leaves, be careful because the oil is very hot. So normally it will splatter everywhere. Now we'll put the curry leaves inside. Be careful. See friends, now we have fried everything. Now we have kept it aside. Now I'll grind this, not into a complete paste, but not even coarse. It should be properly grinded. So what I'll do is I'll grind this and give the tadka and show you. Friends, now after grinding, this is how it will become. You normally cannot have this curry to a very kind of in large portions. You need to have small portions again. Just before you start a meal, you can just first start it with this, and then you can continue with your lunch. So what first what we'll do now is I have kept a little bit oil. This is the coconut oil again. It's very little again. I've removed the excess oil. Now what I'll do is I'll put in a few mustard, and a bit of cumin and the red chili. I'll just switch it off because its oil is very hot now. So now what I'll do is I'll try to put a little bit of hing or the asafoetida. I'll pour it in this. Now we'll need to put the salt and little bit of haldi, and again boil it for at least 10 minutes. You can boil it for at least 10 minutes. The reason being, again, we added a bit of water, so that's the reason. What I'll do is I'll add in a bit of salt. I'll add in a bit of salt and a little bit of turmeric. Stir it well. Friends, please do try this recipe because it's very very good for health. And yes, I have tried this, and even my feed my daughter at least 2 to 3 bites before we start our lunch, and it's very very good for health. So please go ahead and try this recipe, and if you like the recipe, please subscribe my channel, and do share the recipe with your friends, and please don't forget to comment on how whether you like the curry, and if you have any doubts as well, please do comment. I'll answer all your questions. Yeah, thank you again for watching.